What does your school need in the prep for future? Guidance? Planning? Innovation? And in the list, don't forget to mention Smart Global Groups, which puts enhanced services that meet the need of every educational institution. It's so promising in the 21st century to bring educational expertise into light and academic planning into action. Such services bring about worldwide connection, further partnership, collaboration, and educational development. Smart Global Groups gather experts of the educational field to design curricula and teacher training courses to ensure that each learner gets a share in such a rapid, transforming world. If you dream big to succeed in educational history, then we make your dream a reality.